How to make text change color on hover on Wix. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you step by step how to do so. So I know it says Wix Studio on the top left, but we're going to do it for Wix. So first step is obviously just go ahead and go to your site editor, and once this loads in I'm just going to show you exactly the next step. Okay, great. So once it actually loads in, you would want to go ahead and find the space where you want to add the text. I'm just going to add it to this section so we can have a clean slate and be able to show you exactly what you need to do. The first thing is that you want to go to add elements on the top left, and you want to go to interactive. And interactive, we want to basically go to the hover boxes within the boxes section. As you can see, go to hover boxes and just go ahead and select whichever one that you actually want. So in my case, I'm just going to go for this one, but any would actually do. It's not going to make a difference here. So I'm just going to drag and drop this one right over here. Now, basically what you want to do, generally speaking, is that you want to have this in the place where you want to place the text. Hopefully that makes sense. And then you would want to click on the image inside of it and delete it, and also the text and pretty much all the contents within it. And you have two different views in this hover box, the regular one and also the hover view. So in the hover view, obviously, we just wanted to also remove the text within it until we see that it is pretty much invisible. Now that this is invisible, we want to just go ahead and click away. Just make sure you know exactly what it is so you don't miss or lose it. And you would want to add some text. So make sure you remember which type of heading you're actually going to be using. So I'm just going to go for heading 1 for this example. I'm just going to do that like so, and then you would want to just go ahead and place it in the box. Now obviously you can feel free to make the box bigger if you want to, so we can just go ahead and move that like that, and we can just make this in the middle. Now that we have this text which is in white, now we want to make it change color on hover. So in that case, you just want to go to hover, and in here you would want to basically remove whatever is in there, and you basically want to add a text. So in that case, you will find it looking like this. You just want to click on add to hover, and you would want to add text. Make sure it is the same size, so heading 1 in my case, and I'm just going to go ahead and again crop it the same exact way, and make sure it is going to be right in the middle, just like the previous one. So try to make it exactly aligned, and you can also use the X and Y to be able to do that. So here it's going to be 254, whatever it may be. So just go ahead and try to do it with your eyes. It's a little bit better. And basically all you need to do is just go ahead and edit text, and you just want to change the color for it so it is, orange or whatever it may be. Once that's done, just make sure it is orange. Yes, there you go. Once that's done, we are pretty much set. We can just go in and click on preview. I know it is not aligned perfectly for me, but obviously you would want to take your time and align it perfectly. Otherwise, it's going to jump like that, which could also be a cool animation if you want it to be. But this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.